My morning is super busy. I had 3 meetings today, and your is the 4th one, and this is a 8:30 a.m. What about you? What about your day? How it was?
Okay, my day went pretty well. I was like it was not a busy day. I had a lot of time. I studied. I work on this project. Like I checked it further, like it is working properly.
Oh, thank you so much. Yeah.
Yeah, because today is a meeting. I scheduled it 2 days earlier, so it is hard to getting schedule right now because you are really busy. It's understandable.
Sorry about that. Sorry about that.
No,
I believe that in the
it is,
future I will be more available.
Yeah. So I checked everything that everything is working properly, because it's a 30-minute time. If something went wrong, I can inform you. So that's the time I get. So the thing is, I have added the environment variable without the JSON credential path. I told you about the problem previously.
Yeah. I remember this problem.
So I actually what did I did? I actually let me show you actually. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, sure. Did I get it right that you did not touch this credential JSON issue, and you moving forward?
Yeah, right? Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, very good solution. Yeah.
So you can watch see my screen right now.
Yeah, I see.
Okay. So this is the previous this is the previous program. To the number will call my phone number and will say hello world. This is your first Python program.
Yeah.
Okay. So here this is the os.py, this is the util.py, and this is the main.py. Okay. So if I run this program now, I actually commented out the JSON part, like the thing which is requiring os.environment JSON path. I commented out that part, and the rest of the part I already assigned the environment variables. I already set the environment variables. So if I run this file, let me set that it is main. Okay, now if I run this file, it is showing this. The process finished with exit code 0 without any error.
Okay. It's now, cool. It's a very good sign that everything is good, right?
Yeah. Everything is working properly, I think, right
now. Okay. Could you run once again?
Yeah. This is the 8 configuration main file. Then I'm running it again.
And
it's showing nothing, just this without any error code.
Process finished with the code. You know what? It should from Flask application main file. Let me check our last version of the code. And it seems that for the development purpose, we should have one more interesting role. Just a second. Flask application. I'm open our source code. Korea. And this is main file. Yeah, look at this. Just a second. I'm sending you here in chat a link for our last version of the code. And if you will open this main file, you will see that we have this role application running now. You see?
Okay, so it is the main. Okay.
Yeah, if you add here right now, you will be able to run the application, and you will be able to call to your application, and you will get the answer from your application.
Okay. Actually, I downloaded that this application from the GitHub link, like from this repository, like 2 months earlier. Yes, in the span of 2 months, many things have changed from the file, and many things have been added.
Oh, no worries. So, this is a tiny change. This is a tiny change. Let's try to put this.
No, I will update the repository. I will update this file later. So the thing is, if I copy paste this 2 line and paste it in my and paste it here, will it work then? Okay.
Yeah, it should work it, or at least it should have show you some kind of message log. Yeah.
So I have added this.
Okay.
It is automatically saved. Then run again. Cross our fingers.
Awesome. And right now, you able to call to your phone. Let's do it. And we'll see how this will answer to you. Call to your phone, which you set in your settings of the Python application.
Like in my sorry. Like
you get really your phone number.
Yeah. But it will call me on Zoiper, right? Like
yeah.
Okay, Zoiper is on right now. Like this app.
Yeah. Zoiper.
Yeah.
Let's call from Zoiper. If he succeeds with the installing all the stuff related to the Zoiper.
So I just run the application, and what it will do. I'm gonna say it again.
Okay, like, let me explain you what happens right now. You run your server, and right now your local version of the server able to communicate with you through the API call, through the Twilio call, through the phone communication. And if you will try, let's try it. For example, use, just a second. I'm going to show you some request, simple request that you will able to get answer from your server. And this request will looks like to your local, you should, for example, not this one, maybe this. Okay, let's do, maybe not this, get. Let's use this request. Just a second, I've sent you here the link. And put this request after your localhost / authenticate get OTP. Or in your case, it will be, it looks like HTTP / 127.
Okay. The link is here in the terminal, like running on HTTP.
Yeah.
So I will just append this authentic, / authenticate / get OTP. Okay.
I've sent you a link. And
okay, thank you.
Let's open in browser and we'll see how your application work or not work.
Let me run it again.
Oh, you see, here's the answer. It's when you try to get some information, server back to you 404. Okay. Method not allowed. Oh, fantastic. Server started to answer to you, your local server started to answer to you that this method not allowed, the method is not allowed. But
okay, I get it.
Yeah, right now you will able to see in the code the reason why it was not allowed and to deeply understand what's going on. But anyway, this is a huge success. Your local server started to answer to your request in browser. Cool. Great job.
Thank you.
And
so
actually,
it is now working properly.
Yeah.
Everything.
Yeah, and you see here, message log, and you see that you get your request get OTP. And actually, if you double check, just a second, I show with you file. It's just for the context. We have a file index HTML. It's some outdated version, but anyway, here you will see all methods which we have right now. Oh, you can use it and you can check it in source code. And for this purpose, we can use Javier Flask application roles. This file roles. And here our all roles. Just a second. and you will able to use these roles. And right now you are ready for the next task. And what I'm going to do, I want to assign to you one of the tasks, and you will your responsibility will be to prepare one API call, one route,
Yeah.
and that, for example, mobile application or web application interact with the server. Congratulations, Subhayan. You are one of the not so much people who went through all this process. Congratulations. Good for you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
Alex,
And,
you were saying about that when I start the application, like the main .py, I was supposed to get a call like that, or what? I mean, I can't understand the part. I mean, I was supposed to get a call and you just sent me the authenticate the OTP. So can you
just a
please clear
second.
that out?
I put the note that I have to find to you. Task. Okay, and right now you see that you're able to communicate with your local server through the web browser.
Yeah,
But actually, right now you can call to your server through the phone, and for these purposes, on your Twilio account, you have a number, right?
Yeah, I have Twilio number. Yeah.
Twilio number, and what you need to do: open the Zoiper. Open Zoiper and try to call to your Twilio US number. Let's do it right now, and system should answer in some way.
Okay, so let me open my Twilio account so I can watch my and see the number. Let me share my screen. That would be
yeah. Let's do it. Just for the context, through the mobile and phone interaction, system use this request and answer like internet TCP protocol. You know, it's not correct from formal point of view, but for the quick understanding, the system use same technology to communicate with the through the phone.
Yeah.
Yeah, just keep for now. And phone numbers.
So here is my phone number.
Yeah, let's call to this number from your Zoiper.
So plus
application.
151 866 77780. That's a number. Let's call it. Call doesn't went, like it dumped. Let me try it again. 151 866.
There is an error, right?
Yeah, it is not going like it's. I dialed and it just got caught. Like I'm dialing again. It's saying that do not disturb is on in my phone, but it is not on. Something is happening with the app. Let me. 866 77780. Let me try it again. Dialing. No, it could not be going.
Okay. What's happened right now? As I know, SIP prohibited in India. You know, or maybe Twilio or some calls they prohibited. And to work around on this, one of our volunteers found a workaround solution how to do this. And in short, this solution is to use WebML product. This is a Twilio product. This is like a small technology how to use instead of SIP, you use inside of the Twilio application small model which will help you to call.
Okay, so with, I can call without using Zoiper app.
Yeah. This is what this model do. And that to help you with this, I'm going to share this link where Dmitry from Russia, he succeed with this, and on this link he explains how to install and how to set up this WebML model. Just a second. And actually it was like I don't know, very new update, because before we trying to work around with a Zoiper with this SIP, but Dmitry found workaround and this works very well.
Yeah.
And if you want to use your phone and try this magic when you call to your Python server and you get the back answer from your server, you can use this video to understand all steps how to set up your local WebML model. And one more things, keep in mind that if you want to proceed with the implementation of your task, you don't need this phone call interaction. It's just for you, just for fun. You know that you will be sure that you can interact.
Just everything is working out properly. Like
or probably you create your own application when you will, make some phone call system, whatever which you want. Anyway, this video will help you to set up this different another way instead of all workarounds with Zoiper and SIP. It's the first thing. And second thing, during 1 or 2 days, I will prepare to you task for this API call, and you will be able to create new call for our mobile and web development team. Subhayan, thank you so much. You're doing very well. Thank you.
How many volunteers are working right now in the main project? Like
I believe that active volunteers, it's about 10 people. But 10 people, yeah. They join time by time. Some of them join on 1 or 2 days. Some of them working hard every day, and every day there is a new commits. But around 10 people, and they help us.
Like there are lots of members are in Slack, so I thought the whole big team is working right now.
Just to be clear, we have 500 members in Slack. And if we will have 500 developers, try to imagine what we can do. I believe that we will create new metrics system, whatever. But we are busy. Some of us has a work. Some of us has a different, I don't know, goals, and some of us are learning different reasons. And in reality, this is about 10 people. Sometimes it's 2 or 3 people. Sometimes it's more than 10 people. It's like wave of the ocean. But anyway, we do it, and all our volunteers.
I saw your last video. Like I can't remember the title of it. Like a recent one, like weekly update or something. The video was with Aniket Hazra, I think. Like if I recall properly. So there was just one thing, like a recommendation letter you just talked about. Like talk about recommendation. What is it like? The logo was pretty fine. The logo. Go and do the hard.
You mentioned about our weekly sync meeting, or you mentioned about meeting with Professor Dr. Robert?
Dr. Robert, yeah.
Oh, Dr. Robert. Yeah, it's a cool guy, and he's from Ireland, but he is actually genius, very successful, and I was impressed how he's very open and to give all this information, insights, and without payment, just for free, just helpful with the people. It's incredible. It's incredible. And we're trying to make this series of interview with different guys, doctors, cardiologists, engineers, sales managers, from different point of view, which aligned with our mission to reducing heart attack. And we're trying to gather in all opinions that to maybe create and create new product, or maybe to help our existing product.
Yeah, it
And-
will. It will.
Yeah. And I know that you have some connections with the YouTubers, right? And how was your gaming stuff?
Yeah, it is fine right now. It's
Good,
fine.
good.
Yeah.
Okay, when you will have new achievements, please ping me.
Yeah,
I will
yeah.
congratulate you too. Yeah,
Thank you.
you're successful in different areas, in software
No,
development, in gaming.
just playing for fun. Like I'm still learning things. Like
Yeah.
it's a
Just
process
for
of
fun.
learning, right? Yeah.
Learn. Yeah.
Thank you again, Alex, for
Yeah.
such an opportunity. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Subhayan, and wish you all the best with your learning new things, and see you next time. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Thank you.